The story of the proud mother and the humble child. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the heart of Africa, there lived a woman named Amma. Amma was blessed with a beautiful son, Kofi. From a young age, Kofi was known for his wisdom and humility, traits that were rare and highly valued in the village. Amma, however, was very proud of her son's achievements and often boasted about him to anyone who would listen. She would say, "Look at my Kofi. There is no other child as wise and humble as he in the entire village." She would take him to gatherings and insist he perform his tasks and share his wisdom, much to the boy's discomfort. One day, the village elders decided to test the children of the village to find the most deserving to take on a special task that required wisdom and humility. Amma was confident that Kofi would be chosen and urged him to participate. The test was simple but profound. Each child was to carry a pot of water on their head and walk from one end of the village to the other without spilling a single drop. Many children failed, spilling water as they tried to hurry or balance the pot. Kofi, with his usual humility, took the pot and started walking slowly and steadily. Along the way, he encountered various obstacles, uneven paths, playful children, and even a mischievous goat that tried to nudge him. Yet, he maintained his calm and focus, remembering the wisdom imparted by his elders to always be patient and mindful. As he walked, the villagers watched in silence. They saw how he navigated each obstacle with grace and humility, never once looking proud or boastful. When he reached the end, not a single drop of water had spilled. The elders were impressed and asked Kofi how he managed such a feat. He replied, "I remembered my mother's words of wisdom, but also knew that pride could make me stumble. I focused on each step, knowing that humility and patience would guide me." The elders turned to Amma and said, "Your son has indeed shown great wisdom and humility, but remember, pride in one's achievements can overshadow these virtues. Let his actions speak louder than your words." Amma realized her mistake and learned a valuable lesson in parenting. From that day on, she praised Kofi quietly and encouraged him to continue his humble ways, letting his deeds speak for themselves. Kofi grew up to be a respected elder in the village, known for his wisdom and humility, and Amma's heart swelled with a quiet pride, content in knowing that her son had found his path. And so, the story of the proud mother and the humble child was passed down through generations, teaching the importance of humility, patience, and letting actions speak louder than words.